Welcome to today's current affairs class. First question for today. On which date is Anti-Smuggling Day observed every year? Answer is 11th February. Second question. How many gold medals did India win in the Para Archery Asia Cup 2025? Answer is 6 gold medals. Third question. The Winged Rider military exercise was recently conducted between which two forces? Answer is Indian Army and Indian Air Force. Fourth question. Recently, the Supreme Court ruled that it is constitutionally mandatory to state the legal grounds during arrest. It is a fundamental right under which article of the Constitution? Answer is Article 21. Fifth question. Who has won the Rotterdam Open 2024-25 title? Answer is Carlos Alcaraz. Sixth question. The Morand Ganjal irrigation project belongs to which state? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Seventh question. Which community celebrates the Thaipusam festival? Answer is Tamil Hindu community. Eighth question. Which famous football player has recently announced retirement? Answer is Marcelo. Ninth question. What is the new name of HAL's Hindustan Jet Trainer 36? Answer is Yashas. 10th question. Who has won the Mumbai Open 2025 title recently? Answer is Gil Teichmann. Now come to the Tripura and Northeast part. The question is, name the student from Tripura who engages with Prime Minister Modi during Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025 in New Delhi. Answer is Pritam Das from Arya Colony High School. For the PDF of today's class, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. And for regular updates of current affairs, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.